here from Peach Software. I just wanted to bring forward a new feature that we've just finished. You will have to call support if you want to use this because there's some tick options in the background that need to be ticked. But I think it'll be of great use to a lot of our clients. So it's the ability to change the kit on the fly when you're actually doing an invoice. So I'll show you how it's set up. If I go into the kit manufacturer screen, you can see that I've made a fluid hose and I've put in a couple of connectors and 1 metre of hose. So there's the costs and what's in stock at the moment. That's my list price and my current cost. But here you can see the real cost down here of the components, and you can see the total sell price, which means that's the total of the selling price of the components in the kit. So it's just an indication of what you can perhaps sell it for, but I've made a fictitious price up the top here. So just remember there's 20 of each in stock, and we'll go from there. So I just minimise that, and we go to customer invoice, and here we can type in Ben. That's our test customer. And by the way, to get from here to the parts routed quickly, just hit your F4 and that'll take you down there. F3 will take you back up to the top. F4 says down here that it's for lost sales, but that will be for lost sales if you've got a product loaded into the grid. So once the product's loaded, the lost sales takes over the F4 function. So anyway, in this case, we're going to put in the hose. So I'll just put in .hose. And it's the standard fluid hose. These are the components. So we'll just select that second one down and put that in. So you'll note now that in the status column, there's a kit. It knows it's a kit, so it puts the kit in there, and this is triggered by the tick options in the background. So we'll just click on the kit, and it opens it up with the details of the kit in there, and we can just go ahead and change that. So in this case, there's a couple of connectors and there's 1 metre of hose. So we might decide that we want to change that to 10 metres of hose. And it's as simple as that. So now we've just got one part number with a couple of components, and you can change the length of the hose as much as you like. Okay, and then we simply update the transaction. Exceeds the credit, but that's okay, we'll just continue with that. And I've got it not to print or anything, so we'll just update. So that transaction's finished. So I'll show you what's happening in the background now. So if we just minimise that and go into custom control and pull up Ben. There he is there. We go F5 transactions and go into the detail of that transaction. You can just double click on that if you like, and you can see there's a hose being sold. If we go across, we can see the cost is $40. If you remember, the cost was around about $13 or $14. Now it's $40 because instead of having 1 metre of hose, we've got 10 metres of hose. The other thing I wanted to show you in regard to this, if we go into product control, some customers want the kit usage to be represented in the sales usage, so that when they go to reorder parts, it's taken into consideration for a supplier order. So I'll just put in here .hose to pull up those 3 parts. So there's your 0001 connectors. So it did have 20 in stock, now there's 18 in stock, so it's taken 2 out. And the actual hose itself is only 10 in stock, so it's taken 10 out for that kit. So it's manufactured the kit at the right cost and it's taken the right quantity out of stock. But what I did want to show you was, let's say here we've got 10, so we'll just focus on that part. And you can see that you've got manufacture year to date is 10, but also sales usage month to date and year to date is 10. So it's updated the sales usage as well as the kit usage. So when you do a reorder, it will include those in your reordering. Let's have a look at the actual kit itself. And you can see here, it's also got sales month and year to date here. But what you can do there is you can put, you can blank out your min and max reorder levels, so it never comes up for reorder. So that's a simple way to do that. Anyway, so that's a new feature we've just released. We've already got a couple of customers using it, but like I say, it's a custom setting. So if you want to use that, or if you think you might want to use that, please give us a call and we'll hit the tick option for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.